Ted Henley, after what happens tonight, you might not be here because you might be busy signing autographs.
That is not true.
Being swept up by the paparazzi.
I have been waiting a long time for this because I've been very excited. You know, we talked to Bruce McCulloch was on the show. I don't know when it was, months and months and months ago. And then about 2 or 3 weeks after that, Jill texted me and said, a casting director needs to get in touch with you. Can I give her your phone number? I said, sure. And then the casting director told me that Bruce McCulloch wants me to have a part on his show, Young Drunk Punk.
Which is so cool.
And the part was a big stretch. I played a news anchor. Anyway, I played a news anchor on the show. The show is great in itself. I mean, they sent me a whole bunch of scripts ahead of time. The writing is outstanding. It was funny on paper. Erica was laughing at me because I was laughing out loud as I was reading the script, you know, type thing. And anyway, so they dressed me up in like late 70s, early 80s. I didn't cut my hair. I just kind of had it like patted down with like hair gel on this show, but I left it a little bit long so they could kind of style it. You see, Bruce is kind of styled in his character as well there, right?
How did they coax that part into your hair?
That is good.
A lot of mousse,
Yeah.
a lot of hairspray, and then a lot of brushing, you know, that type of thing,
The
right?
brushing,
Yeah,
yes.
like, and look at the shoulder
make it
pads in the
fluffy.
jacket, right? Like, look at
That's
that,
great.
yeah.
That's great.
So anyway, so I went through wardrobe, went through makeup, went through hair. I was on set. And there, you know what? I had a lot of lines, relatively speaking.
Were they on a teleprompter?
No teleprompter.
Oh, so you had to memorize
So I had to
them.
know my lines, yeah. And anyway, I did my lines initially, and then Bruce is like, okay, you know, we know that you have your lines memorized, and let's have some fun with it. And so he just started throwing out ideas and stuff, and it was really unusual for me because I've never really done anything like this before. You had to kind of let go a little bit, and then anyway. We're shooting and shooting and shooting, and he's throwing ideas at me, and we're doing these things, and then finally he's like, "Okay, we're done. We got what we know. We got what we need." I'm like, "What?"
That's it?
He's
That's
like,
all?
"Yeah, we got what we need." So he saw obviously something that he wanted for the show, and it airs tonight at 9:30 right here on City.
Okay.
And yeah.
We're all going to be
We're all
watching.
very excited.
Make sure you watch it
Yeah.
and let us know what you think of the 80s version of Ted Henley.
Gotta say, started watching the show right from the get-go because I'm a big Bruce McCulloch fan. Grew up with him, Kids
He's
in the
great.
Hall, so I was interested in the show. Shot here in Calgary using Calgary crews and all that stuff. So there's all kinds of Calgary references. So got into it that way. My kids love the show now.
Yeah.
It's a great family show to watch, and between that and Modern Family, those are the two shows we watch every week.
Fantastic.
Just like a shameless plug, not because I'm on the show or anything like that,
No,
because it's a
very
good
funny.
show.
'Cause
Yeah,
they're
it's a
great.
good show.
Yeah. And yeah, he captures the era big time. Still to come on the show, how to get your buns in shape for the summer. You know, I mean, these are things we think about. Also, finding out what some of Calgary's most influential men are wearing this spring.